Trump signs permit to jumpstart delayed construction of Keystone XL pipeline. President Trump on Friday signed to jumpstart construction of the Keystone XL oil pipeline with a facility in Montana, a move seen as a way to circumvent previous court orders halting development. The permit authorizes energy company TransCanada Corp. to construct. The permit also allows for the maintenance of a pipeline facility at Phillips County, Montana, for importation of the oil to the U.S. The order supersedes a March 2017 order. That permit was in force. A White House spokesperson told The Hill that the new permit dispels. Specifically, the pipeline has been a lightning rod in national energy policy for much of a decade since its proposal by TransCanada. The November court ruling was seen as a major victory for environmentalists and indigenous rights groups. U.S. District Court Judge Brian Morris in Montana overturned Trump's permit for the Canada to Texas pipeline. Morris' ruling faulted the Trump administration for reversing former President Obama's 2015 denial of the pipeline permit without proper explanation. He said the decision threw into doubt the future of the 1,179-mile Keystone XL pipeline that has been in commission since 2010. The initial permit was also largely blocked because the court found issues with its environmental review. In rejecting the permit, Morris relied mainly on arguing that the State Department, the agency that analyzed the project, didn't properly account for factors such as low oil prices, the cumulative impacts of greenhouse gases from Keystone and the Alberta Clipper pipeline, and the risk of oil spills. He ordered a new environmental review. Trump's new permit could potentially circumvent that issue. Updated 5:14 p.m.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.